Division of two-digit numbers without remainder. We can also divide a number by using the long division method. Example. Divide 63 by 7. Solution. We know that 63 divided by 7 may also be written as, here 63 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Recall the multiplication table of the divisor and look for the dividend in it. Here, let us recall the multiplication table of 7 and look for 63 in this table. Using the multiplication table of 7, we find that 9 times 7 is 63. So write 9 as the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. Thus, 63 divided by 7 equals 9. Example. Divide 42 by 6. Solution. Thus, 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Checking division. We can check our division by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and adding the remainder to this product. The result should be equal to the dividend. In the above example, 6 times 7 plus 0 equals 42. Thus, our answer is correct. We can check our division using the following formula. Divisor times quotient plus remainder equals dividend.